Low-maintenance luxury. Unwind in your Carmel Oasis at 13340 Golden Gate Drive East. Craving a luxurious and low-maintenance lifestyle in the heart of Carmel? Then prepare to be pampered, because we're about to explore a stunning townhome unlike any other at 13340 Golden Gate Drive East. Step inside and be prepared to wow. This spacious 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home boasts an impressive 2,200 square feet of living space. Brand new carpet throughout adds a touch of comfort and luxury. The finished 2-car garage with a 4-foot bump out provides ample storage space for all your needs. Unleash your inner chef in the gourmet kitchen featuring modern 42-inch cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and a center island perfect for meal prep or entertaining. Step outside onto the large balcony and take in the breathtaking views of the serene pond. Enjoy evenings spent relaxing with a glass of wine while nature serenades you. The common area out front ensures a well-maintained exterior, and no lawn care or snow removal means more time for you to relax and enjoy life. Forget laundry day blues. This home features a convenient upstairs laundry room. This luxurious townhome at 13340 Golden Gate Drive East offers the perfect blend of style, comfort, and easy living in the heart of Carmel. While furry friends aren't allowed, this home is perfect for those who value a low-maintenance lifestyle in a top-rated school district. Contact us today to schedule a viewing and experience it for yourself.